In this tutorial, we review how our reading program can help teachers implement effective SEI strategies in the classroom or remotely. It is brought to you by JFYNetWorks, a Boston-based nonprofit provider of remote learning programs to schools, students, and parents. JFY's individualized self-paced curricula help raise individual and school performance measures by maintaining grade-level skills and combating learning loss. First and foremost, when students log into our program, they take an assessment called the level set that measures their current Lexile score. This measurement ensures that students will read the same material as other students, but at their own individual Lexile level. This system allows a whole class to have a mentor text, a text which students and teachers can use for multiple purposes, which is differentiated to individual skill levels. The program paces out and tiers the text by student reading level, so the teacher does not have to do that work. On the screen is the view students see when they log in, and a sample question from the level set assessment. The assessment is designed to take about 30 minutes, but there is no time limit. When students log into their assignments, they see their target vocabulary. They can listen to the word, repeat it, and hear the part of speech. They can also see and hear it used in a sentence. Teachers can then help with cognitive thinking skills, using the word in an original sentence, or having students do a think, pair, share with the word. Calderon frames this as a strategy for EL students. The program also provides opportunities for students to build their familiarity with new words through activities, such as word searches. The program will read to students. Reading aloud is an indirect vocabulary development tool. Sentences are parsed out through yellow highlights, then each individual word is highlighted in blue as it is spoken. Students can re-listen to a sentence or a paragraph as many times as necessary. The speech-to-text icon can be used to help students annotate a text in close reading strategies. The speech-to-text option helps English learners use their spoken English skills to develop and hone their mastery in writing in English. Teachers can have students highlight text using color codes. These highlights can be collected and copied for use in the open response question for answering text-dependent questions and to cite the article in a written response. Students can also collect their annotations to be saved into a draft for written responses. Students can interact with text, making a summary, generating questions, or setting the purpose. This close reading practice helps students connect with the text. After students read a text, they can highlight specific passages and annotate an article. They can copy their work and bring it over into a reading response. This helps them develop their comprehension strategies and also helps them use a text thoughtfully to respond to a question. Maps are embedded in articles to help students visualize where in the world the assignment takes place. After students read the article, they are asked to answer 8 text-dependent questions that are either technology-enhanced or multiple choice. The questions ask for direct evidence from the text. They also call on students to make inferences from the text. The Refer to the Text button allows students to go back to the article for reference. Students can work in partner pairs to develop their own text-dependent questions based on Bloom's taxonomy. Teachers can assign text-dependent questions for students to develop based on their WeDot level. Beyond this, the JFYNet program has a wide array of graphic organizers for teachers to use with EL students in SEI programs. We hope this webinar has given you useful information about strategies for success in the classroom and on MCAS. If you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at the email address shown on the screen. And make sure you follow the JFYNet blog on our website. You can also find us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Thank you for viewing this webinar. This has been a production of JFYNetWorks.